Tom McCready, codi'r gigrydd tuag at Harry Owen ar y postyn pellach mewn o ddacpan. Gyfla o fewn 2 funud o'r gêm gychwyn. Neb ar gyfil Harry Owen. Fo jyst yn cyfeirio'r bêl tuag at y postyn pella yna. Ac pan ar ei sotla braidd. Downs, mewn i ganol y cae, mae McCready. Bas ymlaen wedyn i Creamer. Creamer yn sgwar. Mae'n opsiwn am Creamer yn mynd i hun ar ergyd. A fflechio ar ôl y gwiriad heibio'r postyn. Mi oedd y gol Luke Rees yn poeni am hwnna. Yn gol Creamer y tymor yma yn sgorio golia gwefreiddiol. Nid y tro na. McCready ar gig gornel tuag at y postyn pella. Oddi ar y llinell gan Will Richards. A bron iawn i McCready. Rwy tîm cartra ar y blaen. Acpan ymlaen tuag at Cumming. Acpan yn derbyn yn ôl. Os y gyfla i Acpan ar ergyd yn fflechio i bio postyn chwith y golwr. Do'n am yn bell o ddiwerth cynnig gan yr ymosodwr. Edwards. Bas ymlaen i Cumming. Acpan yn y cwrt Cosby. Cumming colli'r meddiant. Creamer ar ergyd. Disgyn i Matt Hill sy'n thyrru ôl i McCready. McCready yn camu ar draws. O, mae'r bediad o dido gan y golwr. Luke Rees, gwaith gwych gan McCready. Ond ar bediad o'r safon ycha gan Luke Rees yn nadu Bae Colwyn mynd ar y blaen. Trosedd. Na'r Harry Owen. George. Snaith rwnd y gornel wedyn i Mickey George yn y cwrt Cosby. Os y gyfle o'r bediad wych y tro gan Truman. Llawer ei hawdd i'r Barri lawr y dde yna. Mi'n o ddadl efallai fod yna drosedd ar amddiffynwr Bae Colwyn yn gynharach yn y symudiad. Ond yr ergyd yr ymysgan Michael George cael ei throi rwnd y gornel. Hill mae'r dafliad hir tuag at Owen. Creamer lawr i Cumming, nôl allan i Creamer, chodi fyny tuag at Downs ar y postyn pella. Downs! O, wedyn i Bae Colwyn ar y blaen! Creamer yn chodi fyny i Alex Downs i rwyd y bedwaredd gol o'r tymor. Mae ail yn erbyn y Barri. Evo, congratulations on a win, but commiserations on falling out the league.
Yeah, the league table doesn't lie, does it? You know, I could stand here and make excuses, but ultimately in certain games when we haven't been good enough, you know, I thought we were excellent, you know, but you know, just disappointed because, you know, a little bit more experience. I think we would have been fine this year. You know, you look at the Aber game here a couple of weeks ago. It's probably the turning point. Well, it's the one that's probably cost us the most.
Always going to be tough coming up here today with what was at stake for Colwyn Bay. Disappointing not to take anything out of that game?
Yeah, certainly. We feel like we had a reasonable level of performance in terms of the moments we had in the game. Created chances with reasonable intensity, given the two different contexts the teams come into the game with today. And yeah, really disappointed to finish the season on a loss.
Tom, not the best way to go out on retirement, but a good win for the Bay.
Yeah, we held up our side of the bargain, as you said, and gutted. Yeah, it's not just come down to that game. You know, we've had plenty of chances throughout the season, and just one of those things. So yeah, gutted, but you know, we go out with a win and regroup and go again. Yeah.
You know, I don't like failure. You know, we dipped our toe in. You know, now we got to go back down. You know, we got to go and do battle with Airbus and Hollywell. You know, we've got to you know, regroup in the summer. We've got a task to get back to where we belong, where this football club belongs.
There's a few of the lads retiring or not going to be here. Time to rebuild and aim for that top six?
Yeah, time to reflect on things, review our season, review individual player performances, have a look at, you know, what the squad looks like for us now moving forward. Yeah, certainly.
And will Steve Evans be that man?
Yeah,
taking forward?
As far as I'm aware, I will be. You know, I'm here to stay. Yeah, I've got a mission. You know, I want to get us into Europe. You know, you know as well as I do in football, you know, some things are out of your control. But you know, as far as I'm aware, as far as the club's aware, you know, I'll be here next year.